have tear in my eyes. भाई मैं इंडियन फैन से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, बिफोर मेकिंग समवन योर आइडल, ट्राई टू बी जस्ट अ फैन ऑफ इट। ठीक है, समझो, सोचो, थोड़ा देखो, फुटबॉल को एंजॉय करो रादर देन द पर्सन। ठीक है, एंड देन आफ्टर अ सर्टेन पीरियड ऑफ टाइम यू कैन डिफाइन योर ओन आइडल। तुम one of the best players in the football history. You are one of the best players in the football history, and you are coming out and telling everyone that. What to say? भाई मेरे it was dual minded कि मैं इस पे बनाऊं कि नहीं बनाऊं. I was literally shocked. I'm clearly means यार मेरा वो फुटबॉल देखने का one of the important reasons था during 2012-13 when he was at peak ना. He used to perform. He used to deliver every time. Whenever Real Madrid needed it, he delivered. अभी उसके पैर कम चलते हैं बट मुंह ज़्यादा चल रहा है. I'm talking about CR7, one of the greatest player in the football history, is now acknowledging himself as one of the greatest player ever to play the football. ये कैसे हो सकता है यार? तुम खुद को कह ही नहीं सकते कि you are one of the best players who have ever played. You cannot. शुरू करने के लिए इतनी चीज़ें दिमाग में आ रही है. आई हैव मेड अ स्क्रिप्ट येट एग्जैक्टली, बट आफ्टर सीइंग दिस इंटरव्यू जब चीज़ें ख़त्म होने वाली हैं, यू हैव डन वेरी वेल फॉर दिस गेम, यू हैव डन ब्रिलियंटली फॉर दिस गेम, यू नीड टू बी सम वॉट मेच्योर. तुम एक विनिंग मेंटालिटी से आते हो, यू हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ ग्रेट डिसिप्लिन. I know one of the best disciplined player in the football history, or rather say the sports history. भाई उसको डिसिप्लिन में कोई नहीं, मीन्स यू कैन से लेब्रॉन, कोबे, वन ऑफ द बेस्ट बास्केटबॉल प्लेयर्स, सचिन तेंदुलकर in cricket, कोहली in cricket. You can take a couple of players in discipline category. भाई उसके डिसिप्लिन कोई बंदा नहीं है. I agree, the world will agree to that. But if you are saying you are better player than Messi, भाई उसने पियर्स मॉर्गन, एक तो वो छछुंदर, you can exclude yourself and tell one of the best players who have played the football game, हाँ, then you can say Messi. अबे पियर्स मॉर्गन जितना चाटना है चाट ले तू भाई. ही जस्ट went on to like कि भाई आई वुड लाइक टू कंपेयर माई सेल्फ लुक्स में. भाई फुटबॉल में जैसे मेसी है, लुक्स में बैकहम है, फेंकने में है ये. He is comparing himself to David Beckham in looks. The perfecto word he used, the perfecto. How can you compare yourself? Just see yours. I look similar to Ranbir Kapoor. Even if I at certain point of time, if I get lakhs and crores, I won't be looking like Ranbir Kapoor, right? I won't be have a 50% chance of looking like Ranbir Kapoor after all that investment that I have. It is clear. How can you say I am a perfecto? Like football में Messi है, looks में Beckham है. He's comparing himself to both of the things. भाई अपने domain में रहो ना. How can you say that you look better than David Beckham? It is just like भाई one of the most important thing. मुझे इतनी I just shocked. He wants to meet Donald J. Trump. I know ये पता क्या करने जा रहा है. He is making the youth fit. दिमाग से फिट कर देना चाहता है कि yes, you have missed the best player in the history, that is Cristiano Ronaldo. The new youth will be driven by these interviews and the so-called fake PR कि भाई you have missed the best player to see in the footballing pitch. Now he is trying to make कि भाई okay, now what shall I do? I have enough money, I have played football and whatsoever. He's seeing something next, politics, the global impact word that he used कि भाई किसका impact ज़्यादा है, तो he told कि I have a better reach than Donald J. Trump. He is looking into it something. ये political angle मुझे ज़्यादा लग रहा है. It is easily debatable, but I think you can see कि what he is trying to do पॉलिटिक्स में इन्वॉल्वमेंट, ग्लोबल रीच, इट इज़ कलेक्टिवली so much fussy, hazy. It is deliberate कि he is including Messi in everything. ठीक है. How can you debate with telling the CR7 fans that what he is trying to do? यार मुझे बहुत पता नहीं, एक्चुअली इतनी रीच नहीं है, बट ओके. बट वेन एवर यू सी CR7 fan, you cannot argue with him telling that yeah, Messi is better, because they are so determined by telling my CR7 is great and etc and etc. He has done blah blah blah, Real Madrid Champions League etc. Okay, it is okay, you have won it, but you cannot compare yourself with the last 30-40 years that who was the best player. It is very much clear. I was a CR7 fan, but when I watched football, भाई जब मैंने फुटबॉल देखना स्टार्ट किया, I was a CR7 and Steven Gerrard fan. Steven Gerrard was almost end of his career, but Cristiano Ronaldo was at his peak. I used to watch every Liverpool and Real Madrid matches, every. ठीक है. I used to love it. I used to really love it to see CR7 in Real Madrid shirt and performing and driving and motivated to see how much powerful a man in footballing world, with all his motivation, determination, discipline, with all his drive to score goal and to have that winning mentality he can achieve on a footballing pitch. I was very much now I really feel from inside that who the person I was following before. But when I started to watch all this, the great footballing matches, the understand football in depth, फिर मुझे समझ आने लगा कि है नहीं यार, it's all about Lionel Messi. I have tear in my eyes because I can see that how Lionel Messi's perform since 2016. It is his legacy for Barcelona, Argentina, and footballing world in the last 15-20 years that has given Cristiano Ronaldo more uplift, to be honest. If he would have been there alone, okay, that would have been goals. But the competition, the versus has given CR7 the more lift. It is clear. Okay, but let it be. I'm very much disappointed by his interview comparing himself with the looks of David Beckham. He wants to. भाई वर्ल्ड कप जीत लिया है बंदे ने, अब बोल रहा है कि भाई अब वर्ल्ड कप नहीं जीतेंगे तो भी चलेगा. ही वांटेड टू विन वर्ल्ड कप, ही वांटेड टू विन यूरोज. एक यूरो ट्रॉफी आ गई थी. ही वाज हैप्पीएस्ट पर्सन इन द वर्ल्ड फॉर पोर्चुगल विनिंग द वर्ल्ड कप, विनिंग द यूरोज 2016. आई हैड सीन दैट it was at a goal, I think. I saw it when I was in tears when I saw the 27 minute कभी उसको जो इंजरी हुई थी. I was like oh finished, खत्म. But I am feeling like यार इतना बंदा इतना स्टेटमेंट चेंज कर सकते हो पब्लिकली, द मोस्ट impactful person in the footballing world right now. So you cannot do it like this. World Cup जीत लिया मेसी ने. Now you are telling okay, I won't be winning a World Cup, still I'll be remain the best player in the history. How can you define that? जब नहीं जीता था मेसी, all Messi fan will debate that if Messi doesn't win the World Cup, he isn't the greatest player. Now when Messi has won the World Cup, now it is not required to be the greatest player in the world. कोपा अमेरिका नहीं जीता था, नो इंटरनेशनल ट्रॉफी विद मेसी, तो ही इज़ नॉट अ ग्रेटेस्ट प्लेयर इन द वर्ल्ड. अर्जेंटीना के साथ उसने क्या किया है, ऑल द क्वेश्चन मार्क्स वर देयर. 2016 से 2021 तक वो डिबेट पीक पर था व्हेन एवरीबडी यूज्ड टू टेल कि भाई मेसी ने अर्जेंटीना के साथ क्या किया. ठीक है, उसके बाद की चीज़ें तो पता ही है सबको. आई एम रनिंग टाइम 42, आई टू लीव 45, जॉब पे जाना है. Okay, so last and final verdict that this interview is a crap. Everything said was a crap. Piers Morgan, Cristiano Ronaldo, they are plotting something bad for the footballing world, sporting world, the youth, the new fans that are coming into the world. I would try. भाई मैं Indian fans से request करूँगा, I know though I have just started to making the videos, but I would try and request the Indian fans कि फुटबॉल अच्छे से देखो, ऑब्जर्व करो, एनालिसिस करो, ट्राई टू एंजॉय, but before making someone your idol, try to be just a fan of it. ठीक है, समझो, सोचो, थोड़ा देखो, फुटबॉल को एंजॉय करो rather than the person. ठीक है, and then after a certain period of time you can define your own idol. Okay, let's enjoy football. In Jai Hind.